everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little mini haul and a little mini update of where have I been. Stay tuned and let's get started. So today I'm going to show you the items that I got at Walmart and going to chit chat what is going on with me. Where have I been and what's going on with my eyes. They hurt today, that's why I have glasses on, and it is a day off for me, and that's the reason I haven't been in YouTube lately like I usually was. I do have a job that actually it's outside of my house, like an actual normal person. So I have to attend to that job. I have to take my children to school, and I do have 2 other side jobs that are at home. So that takes the entire day for me. So I have no time for YouTube as I wish I could have, but we need the moolah, so I gotta do that, right? So thank you for the ones that have stick around. Thank you for the ones that continue subscribing because of my older videos and my older DIYs. I will get back to you guys when I have new videos. I will post them and try to get you updated on stuff like that. And yeah. Other than that, let me show you the items that I have bought at the Walmart. And with the first one, I will show you the items that I got for my mom, since they're right here on the top. I did get her a gown because I didn't know what to buy her, because I have bought her mostly everything. I have her buy her bags, jewelry, perfume, clothes, shoes, kitchen items, because I had no idea what to give her. So today is this. She loves to wear these kinds of gowns to go to sleep. And this one, I loved it because it's kind of like that, what do you call it, suede? Oh my gosh, what is this? I barely saw this going on here. What the hell? Okay, it's this little, can you see? Hopefully the camera gives me justice and you can see. The fabric is the very soft, almost like, what is those called? Those plushies? I can't remember, but they're super, super soft. And it's a long sleeve, and I love that it has pockets like that, so she can put her phone in there so she can hear me when I call. And yeah, it has buttons, and it's long, and it is on size L. And this is by Aria Collection, and it costs $16.98. They also had it in white with florals, and navy blue with light blue roses, and your black and red checkers. But I got this one for her. It was the only black one actually, so it must be popular, the black one. I also got her this cardigan. It's a long cardigan. It has front pockets, long sleeve. This is on size large. It is no boundaries, and it was $18.98. They also had it on the pattern black, like the brown here. They had it on black, and the black pattern here, it was white. So it's this one. It is also soft. I'm gonna tell her when she wash it, don't put it in the dryer, because this thing is gonna get staticky, and when she touch her, my dad touches her, he's gonna get a shock. But look at this. I also didn't see this. God dang it. Everything's pulled, but what's going on? What's going on? Okay, well, hopefully she likes it, and hopefully it fits. Those are items I got for her. I also got these other items for my daughters. They're behind me. I got them bat robes. Look at this one. This one's pink, and it has like engraved hearts. Can you? Well, you can see one here. It has engraved hearts. This one's for my little one. This is on the size 6X, and it's the furry inside and out is the same. And this is no Wonder Nations for $12.98. My little one wanted only pink, so I got her only pink. And my older one wanted this one, which is Stitch. This is size 10, 12. And it's stitch pattern with little hearts. And this one is $14.98. $14.98 from Disney Stitch. Yeah, and it's also soft. Both sides are the same because sometimes some bat ropes are furry on the outside and kind of like, what the hell happened in the inside, you know? Yeah. It's also rainy season coming up. It's cold and school. They gotta have rain boots, right? Yes. So the first ones, these ones are Wonder Nation, size 12, $20.98. And these ones are for my older daughter, of course. And this is how they look. It's a cheetah pattern or leopard, whatever you want to call it. This inside is like pale pink. And I like that the bottom had glitter. Almost looks like on my nail. Look it. I always have an accent glitter nail. And look at this. They're really cute. If they had this one in a bigger size, like for myself, I would have gotten them. But of course not. They don't. There it is. I got that one for her. What did I say it was? $20.98. Then I got this ones for my little one. I know they're blue and they target blue for boys and pink for girls, but colors are colors, and that's capiche. This is Wonder Nation as well, size 9-10, but this one was a little bit cheaper, $14.98. This is your solid colors. They're a little bit, this one is thicker, you can see. More sturdy, but it has a branded. She did wanted the pink ones, but there was no size for her. And I like to get out of the store with both of my daughters having the same thing or equal thing, because I don't just go buy something for one and not the other one. Either both of them have it or none of them have it. So we went with the pink. I'm sorry, we went with the blue. She's obsessed with Bluey, the cartoon over in Netflix. So my older daughter told her, like, oh, look, you can have blue for Bluey. That worked really well. I can also put a sticker here for blue, and then it becomes more Bluey. Yeah. This is 9-10. These are a little bit on the cheaper side because they're just solid color, not a pattern or glittery. Either way, both are cute. Now, the last two items that I'm going to show you, I got gum for myself. Yeah, because that's the only thing I got for myself. Oh, Layla got a little crown, a wooden crown for crafting. And I got gum. They also got air dry clay, which they already opened, and a Bluey coloring book where you paint and the picture comes out. But they already used it, so I cannot show you that. So I got these slippers that I've been eyeing over in Amazon. But over in Amazon, they're $20. And over here in Walmart, I got them both for $20. And what am I talking about? This! Yay! Bunny slippers! I got them in size 7A, so it's for the little one. They are $9.98. $9.98 by Wonder Nation. And they do have this elastic thing, but of course you can just push it up and they can slide the little fit in there. And because this one pushes the feet for them and kind of go all the way to the front, and it hurts the front of their toenail, so that you can just pull it up and they can still do that. I wish they also had it on my size, but they didn't. Look at this. I could have bought a children. Nobody's gonna know, but they didn't have my size. This size doesn't fit me. Yeah. So I got one for my little one, and I got one for my older one. They're so cute. Look at this. It's been so long that I've done a YouTube video that I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed to talk it because I'm at Town Walks anyways. But yeah, look at the little ears. That inside of the ears, it's a floral pattern. It's not the same. And I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. Look it. Look it. Yes. And they're exactly the same over in Walmart. I'm sorry, in Amazon. I can't talk today. And they're the very nice one. Yeah. Oh, look. See, this is Bluey. You see? This is Bluey. And the blue colors are, they go with her, huh? Bluey is a dog. Bluey is a cartoon with a family just like mine, says my daughters. They have, it's of course the dad and the mom. And they have two daughters. Two doggy which are girls. It's Bluey, which is the older girl, and it's Bingo, but Bingo's not here. Bingo, which is the younger girl, which is just like my family. 2 little girls. And they like it. But yeah, see, it goes with the theme. So yes. Yep. That is all that I have for you guys today for this haul. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying still over here with the ones that continue being subscribed to my channel. I will get back to you with new videos and new items. And yeah, I also bought a candle, but it's my tripod. It's my tripod. Look at this candle. I bought this candle because I'm going to go visit my brother over at the cemetery, and I'm gonna go and leave that for him. But yeah, other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Also, if you want to go, run to Walmart and get your slippers, because these are also a great buy for holiday gifts. It's super cute. It's super cute. These and the pajamas for gifts for Christmas, run and get them. Yeah. Yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Goodbye.